Welcome to Money Wealth Simplified, your guide to free money and wealth growth. Did you know billions of dollars in unclaimed government grants are available? You might qualify. Keep watching to find out how. Before we begin, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's James Cordner. Today we're diving into a goldmine most people don't know about: government grants. Billions of dollars are up for grabs every year, and a lot of it goes unclaimed. Why? Because most people don't know these programs exist. They could qualify for thousands of dollars for education, business, or energy bills. We're talking free money for college, down payment assistance, help with energy bills, and more. Stay tuned, because you don't want to miss this. First up, the federal Pell Grant, free money for students. College is expensive, but the Pell Grant can cover costs for universities, community colleges, and certificate programs. Up to $7,395 per year, completely free for students with exceptional financial need. Your grades don't affect eligibility. Just fill out the FAFSA. Don't leave this money on the table, guys. College is expensive enough as it is. Graduating from renting to owning a home is a huge step, and the down payment can be a massive roadblock. The first-time homebuyer grant can provide up to $15,000 to help cover upfront costs. Eligibility and grant amounts vary by state and county, so you'll need to do some research. Head over to the HUD website for more information. I'll drop the link below. Energy bills are out of control, but LIHEAP can help. LIHEAP provides financial assistance to low-income households for heating and cooling bills. Up to $1,000 per year to ensure you stay warm in winter and cool in summer. Eligibility requirements vary by state, but it's worth checking out. Head over to the LIHEAP website for more information. Staying connected is a necessity, but cell phone plans can be expensive. Lifeline Assistance provides free or discounted cell phone service to eligible low-income individuals. Free smartphone with unlimited talk, text, and data. Check out the Lifeline support website to see if you qualify. Staying connected shouldn't cost a fortune. Dreaming of being your own boss? Starting a business requires significant investment. Government grants for small businesses can help you get started. These grants don't have to be repaid and can range from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars. Research different grant opportunities and write a compelling business plan. Check out grants.gov for federal grant opportunities. Millions of Americans overpay their taxes and are owed refunds. Many forget to file their tax returns or miss the deadline, leaving billions unclaimed. Check the status of your refund online on the IRS website. Enter your social security number, filing status, and refund amount. You can thank me later when you've got extra cash in your pocket. Healthcare costs can be terrifying, but Medicaid and CHIP provide affordable coverage. These programs offer free or low-cost health coverage to millions of Americans. They cover a wide range of essential healthcare services. Eligibility requirements vary by state, but if your income falls below a certain threshold, you could qualify. Head over to healthcare.gov to learn more and see if you're eligible. There you have it. 7 incredible government grants and programs that could put cash back in your pocket. This is your money, your opportunity. Don't let it slip away. The application processes are generally straightforward, and resources are available to help you. Check the links in the description for more information. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and free money opportunities. Share this video with friends and family. Until next time, keep crushing it.